2025 Ram 4500 Motorhome redefines the boundaries of luxury and utility in the RV and camper truck segment. Built on the robust and highly capable Ram 4500 chassis, this motorhome combines the power and reliability of a heavy-duty truck with the comfort and sophistication of a modern home on wheels. Designed for adventurers and long-haul travelers, it delivers an unparalleled experience, whether you're navigating rugged terrains or cruising down highways. Under the hood, the Ram 4500 motorhome is equipped with a 6.7-liter Cummins Turbo Diesel engine, renowned for its exceptional torque and towing capabilities. With an impressive payload capacity and advanced towing features, this motorhome can handle additional gear, a boat, or even another vehicle with ease. Paired with an efficient transmission and enhanced suspension system, it ensures a smooth ride regardless of road conditions. The exterior of the Ram 4500 motorhome showcases a bold and contemporary design. Its aerodynamic contours improve fuel efficiency, while high-quality materials and durable construction ensure longevity. The integrated LED lighting system not only enhances visibility, but also adds a modern touch to its overall aesthetic. Ample storage compartments line the exterior, providing convenient spaces for all your travel essentials. Step inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious and well-thought-out interior. The motorhome features premium upholstery, wood-finished cabinets, and a state-of-the-art entertainment system. The living area is spacious, with plush seating that can convert into extra sleeping space. A fully equipped kitchenette includes a microwave, induction cooktop, refrigerator, and ample storage, ensuring that you can prepare meals just like at home. The sleeping quarters offer a comfortable queen-size bed with high-end bedding for a restful night's sleep. Large windows throughout the motorhome provide natural light and breathtaking views, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. Climate control systems maintain a comfortable temperature in all seasons, while the advanced insulation ensures noise reduction and energy efficiency. For convenience, the Ram 4500 motorhome features a high-tech dashboard with a user-friendly infotainment system, navigation, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. Safety is a priority, with advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist. The 2025 Ram 4500 motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a gateway to adventure. Whether you're exploring remote wilderness areas or enjoying cross-country road trips, this motorhome offers unmatched comfort, performance, and reliability. Designed for those who demand the best, it's the ultimate travel companion for making unforgettable memories.